Hey guys, Henry here from Carnivore Capers. Today we're going to be going over a few things that have happened over the last 5 days since I last recorded a video. Now, I have to say, one thing I've discovered by having a glass of milk, because when I drink a glass of milk, I have to say, when I say milk, I'm talking lactose-free milk. So it's lower in sugar. And it hasn't got lactose, which is causing you to spike your blood sugar and stuff. But when I get really craving for sweet things, I'll often just go for my keto candy or the carnivore candy, which happens to be the melted butter that was browned and gets a lovely coating and gets that toffee kind of flavor to it. I usually go for that, but on the odd occasion I kind of cave in and give in to my urges and have myself a glass of lactose-free milk. But one thing I've discovered when having something like that, and of course lactose-free milk is still full of carbs, which is literally sugar going back into your body. One thing I've discovered, apart from the fact that it tastes like ice cream to me these days because it is so sweet, I get hungry a lot more afterwards. Meaning, I'll eat twice as much after having a couple of hours after having a glass of milk. If I have even a small glass of milk, I'll get that into me and I just love it and drink it down. And if I have dinner, normally I have a couple of rissoles with a couple of eggs, and ordinarily that'd be enough. But I find that after having some milk, a few hours later have my dinner, I have to have a couple of rissoles, a couple of eggs, some salmon, and whatever else I can get my hands on to cook up. I find myself really craving extra food when I have carbs in my body. So I had to literally swear off carbs now because, well, carbs are causing me to put on weight. And that would be the reason why my weight stalled, because I was having the occasional small glass of milk, and with that small glass of milk, I'd then scoff down a lot of food. So that's the reason why. Also too, a next thing I also noticed throughout this week is that my psoriasis on my elbow and in my scalp and on my beard is beginning to slow down. It's getting smaller and smaller, and it doesn't seem to be quite as bad as what it previously was. It appears to be healing, which is really good. It's one of the things I've been really wanting to look forward to when I'm having it. So what I've done was I've started going red meat every single night. Red meat with eggs. Usually I have butter. I cook it in butter, or I cook it in some sort of lard or tallow. And I've been having that for the last few nights. Now, in my last video, I mentioned that I was going to spend the rest of May cooking just red meat meals, and that's what I've been doing. And I've been loving it, and it's been helping a lot. Now, I will say, I am still also having trouble sleeping. Except for one day. Yesterday, I woke up after about 5 hours sleep, got up, did a few things on the computer, got tired, went back to bed, and then I slept again. And my total sleeping time in that particular period, with the first sleep and the second part of the sleep, a couple of hours later, meant I got 10.5 hours sleep. That was the first time in I don't remember how long that I had that much sleep. But guess what? I woke up at 11:45 yesterday, and I didn't go back to sleep till 4 o'clock this morning. And I had to get up early to go to Rockhampton, which is a 2-hour drive from here. So yeah, didn't get a lot of sleep. So I'm hoping I'll just crash tonight and really sleep through the entire night. Because I know that the previous nights I'd been getting approximately 4.5 to 5 hours, maybe 6 if I'm lucky. And that's all the sleep I could get because I wasn't able to go back to bed and wasn't able to go back to sleep. So I'm still having sleep issues, even though I'm having salmon. I eat salmon because I know that salmon helps with the serotonin, which then helps with the melatonin. And melatonin is the chemical in our bodies that help us to sleep. Now, I'm also going to quickly mention too that you may have noticed that on the odd occasion I have little red marks on my nose and little red blotches on my cheek. Now, the reason why that happens is because I sleep with the CPAP machine on at night time. I'm hoping that the carnivore diet will help that as well, so I can get off the CPAP machine and I'll no longer need to have it. I know I've seen a few people online who've gone on a carnivore diet and they started to heal from their they're not getting sleep apnea anymore, and they don't have to be on the CPAP machine, which is what I'm really hoping for one day. Because what it does is it goes, because I have it under my nose, it blows air up onto my nose, causing my nose to go really, really red. It's like a windburn on my nose. And also the straps on it can cause my cheeks to kind of break out and get blotches on my cheeks. So that's the reason why, if you see that kind of thing on the videos, I've got really red blotches on my face and a red nose, that's the reason why. It's not, I think if I can get off that, if I can get away from the CPAP machine, all that will heal up really easily. It won't take long at all. I also probably need to clean the mask a bit more too. That would certainly help. But the windburn will still happen. So what I've taken to doing is to putting some zinc cream on my nose at night time, and that creates a barrier. So that's been helping a lot. But I still get a red nose, but it's not as bad as it used to be. So now, today you're just going, oh, you haven't got any redness on your nose now. That's because I put a bit of makeup on. So as to be a little bit less distracting. So yeah, so what has this week been doing? Well, I've learned that if I have milk, I get hungrier and I keep my weight on, or I put weight on. 2, my psoriasis is clearing up. 3, I'm still having trouble sleeping, but I do believe that will hopefully improve. And if you guys have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what I can do outside of taking chemicals or taking some kind of medication. What else can I do to help me sleep? Well, that's what I've got for this particular week, and I really hope it's been helpful in some ways for you. If you got some value out of this video, hope you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? Also, leave a comment down below and let me know your current experiences that you're going through on the carnivore diet. And do you suffer with any of these things and you're still waiting for them to heal up? Yeah, let me know what it is you're going through, so as that we can talk about it and really help each other out. Because I want to be able to build a community on our channel. I want to be able to make this channel my full-time channel and make it my full-time job, so that one day I can leave my current job and work full-time on this channel. Also, to let you know, right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here, oh, that's an image of my head. And you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.